Hey guys, this is your host. I'm quickly telling to you what is the alternative of iPhone iOS live text. We must know recently Apple released iOS 15 features live text. It supports just iPhone access to our device. Access and it's our device above device. But under access like iPhone 10, 8 plus, 8, 7, 7 plus, 6, etc. How to use live text alternative on your iPhone. In this video, I will tell to you quickly. So watch this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's start it. First, go to App Store on your iPhone and search Google. Google. Just Google Apps. Download Google Apps on your iPhone. If you need to sign in Google Apps, please sign in your Google account. Then tap and hold on your phone home screen and click the plus icon left on the corner. Then scroll down, go to Google. This widget, second widget, which is voice search, Google Lens and incognito. Tap and hold and place your suitable place on your phone. That's done. Middle icon is Google Lens icon. And that is the alternative of live text. It also have translate, copy text, etc. Much more feature in here. If you want to do live text, go to Google Lens and your image, which image you want to need text. Let us select text, then mark which text you needed, how much you needed. If you want to translate, you will do translation. Another language or copy text. It have a nice feature like listening, and if you want to translate that image text like image, you do that. And if you want to need listening, this app hearing to that means it's a alternative of Google Lens, alternative of Apple live text. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.